Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. If you remember in the last video we were doing this stuff with the 7th and minor and all this. Now we're going to be doing something with the rhythm, okay, of moving the bar chords in a rhythmic fashion, and give this a listen, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this so we can make a clean chord change. First things first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going to be doing the A chord on 1 and 2. So what's happening, you have the A chord on 1 and the G chord comes on 2, and then you come back to the A chord on the and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, now the whole thing here is this hand. See, down. We're doing down, up, down, up. Okay, I'm really trying to emphasize the motion here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, you see what's going on now? All right, again, I'll do it real slow. Give yourself 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4, and 3, and 4. Let's try this with the metronome. Let's slow it down. Because the whole point here is we need to make this a clean chord change. Okay? 1, 2, 4. Okay, that's what we're doing. Now, I'm letting the chords, let's turn this thing off a minute. I'm letting your chords ring, okay? Though it's keeping my fingers down. But once you get comfortable with this, you can alter the sound just a little bit by going. You hear what I'm doing? 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and or go and 4 and 4 and or and 4 and okay, whatever, you can mix it up. This is how do you say, it's a famous rhythm thing from a tune back in the 60s by the Kinks called You Really Got Me, and you'll no. Okay, what did I do there? All I did was I went from F, G, A, then I went to B. Anyway, just these two chords, you need to practice that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if you really want to move on, take the form below, the D chord, do the same thing. And 2, 3 and 4 and that way sometimes you could be playing, it doesn't have to be the Kinks song, it could be anything, and you might want to go. So that way you can alter, your timing. You could put accents in once you get comfortable moving that bar. Okay, the world is your oyster then. All right, listen, work that out, see what happens. Questions as usual, comments below. You like what you hear, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe. All right, have a nice day.